We all love saving money, don't we? Hashtag student life. And we also quite like our world, our nature, I guess. I hope you do. How can you save money and save the world? Let's find out. So this video I structured into 6 R's. The first R is reduce. Just say no to plastic. Don't say yes to plastic straws, plastic bags, all these kind of things. You do not need that stuff. But in general, try to reduce everything. It's really like a challenge to try and use up everything that you own. So go through your freezer and your fridge and your cupboards and everything. The second R is reuse. Use everything you own again and again until it falls apart. Because single-use plastic is pretty much the worst enemy. The third R is refill. Get yourself a water bottle, or I almost hit myself in the face there. Use old jam jars and upcycle them into jars. You can refill them, for example, at zero waste shops. As far as I know, there's only one zero waste shop in Birmingham, and that's in Digbeth, called the Clean Kilo. And this is your daily reminder to stay hydrated. I think it's very fulfilling to take old stuff and make it into something new, or to upcycle it, or whatever. There are literally so many things that you can make yourself, like your own face scrubs, lip balm, your own cleaning stuff, your own bags, your own clothes if you're that crafty. Some other things that you can make yourself is like taking an old shirt and cutting your own cloths, or makeup remover pads, or you can very easily make your own beeswax wraps, where you just use some beeswax and some cloth again. But with repair and repurpose in general, I mean thrifting, for example. There are so many charity shops all around Birmingham, a few in the city centre and a few in all the outer districts of Birmingham, where you can buy it for very, very cheap money. Actually quite nice clothes. Also, around Birmingham, Coventry and all that lot, there are so many kilo vintage markets, and usually you pay £15 for a kilo of clothes, because what I like about thrifting is that someone else pays the full price first. The next R is replace. If it's time to say goodbye to some old things that you own, like toothbrushes or plastic containers, all these kind of things, why don't replace them for some zero waste alternatives? If you're that type of the population who menstruate, one thing to start with and replacing is menstrual products. So I can really recommend getting a menstrual cup, for example. I bet you all have heard of the bamboo toothbrushes, because they're really cool and really nice. You invest your money once and then you won't have to pay for it again, and that is how you save money. It seems like it's more expensive, but in the end run, you're going to end up saving a lot of money and a lot of waste, and Mother Nature will thank you. Soap bars and shampoo bars. One shampoo bar replaces about 3 normal sized shampoo bottles, and that's so much money you save just buying 1 little bar, and it saves so much space. One other incredible replacement is coconut oil. It replaces my coconut oil, moisturizer, hair oil, body cream, shaving cream, blah 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 blah. And I also use it to make my own stuff for DIYs, like my own face scrub. So you actually really just have to buy this one thing, and don't need all these fancy moisturizers that you buy and spend so much money on. And the last R is recycle. That's not actually going to save you any money, I believe, but we're all heroes and save the world, and cheers.